Question 11. What are goods for the purpose of excise tax? Answer. Goods mean an article or substance which is produced in India. Question 12. Is it mandatory to pay duty on all goods manufactured? Answer. Yes, it is mandatory to pay duty on all goods manufactured, unless exempted. For example, duty is not payable on the goods exported out of India. Similarly, exemption from payment of duty is available, based on conditions such as kind of raw materials used, value of turnover, clearances in a financial year, type of process employed, etc. Question 13. What is the difference between customs duty tax and excise duty tax? Answer. If you take a look at both of these taxes at first, both are taxes levied by the Government of India, but the most significant difference between the two is that customs duty is a tax levied upon goods imported into the country from foreign countries, while excise duty is levied by the government on the goods manufactured in the country. It is important to note that many provisions are common to both customs and excise duty. Also, both taxes have similar procedures of administration. Tribunal. Question 14. When excise duty tax is chargeable? Answer. Excise is an event-based taxes, and taxes is charged once goods are exit from gate of manufacturing plant. The invoice is made on gate pass basis. Question 15. What are the products on which excise duty is applicable? Answer. Besides narcotics and alcohol collected by the corresponding state government, the central government charges excise duty on the following products: live animals and animal products. This includes live animals, meat and edible meat, offal, fish and crustaceans, mollusks and other aquatic invertebrates, birds, eggs, natural honey, edible products of animal origin, not elsewhere specified or included, products of animal origin, not elsewhere specified or included. Question 16. What are the types of excise duty? Answer. There are 3 different types of central excise duties which exist in India, which are as follows. Basic excise duty, imposed under Section 3 of the Central Excises and Salt Act of 1944 on all excisable goods other than salt produced or manufactured in India at the rates set forth in the schedule to the Central Excise Tariff Act 1985, falls under the category of basic excise duty in India. Additional Section 3 of the Additional Duties of Excise Act. Question 17. What are the acts and rules for the collection of excise duty tax? Answer. Under the authority of the Central Excise Act 1944, the taxes are levied on manufacturing or production of goods. The rates for the taxes are specified under the Central Excise Tariff Act 1985. This duty is chargeable on certain textile products such as yarn, fiber, etc., also excluding the additional excise duty under Additional Duties of Excise, Textiles and Textile Articles Act 1975, which are also charged. The Additional Duties of Excise, Goods of Special Importance Act 1957 and missiles. Question 18. What is the compliance mandatory under excise duty tax? Answer. All the compliance can be divided in 2 steps: payment of taxes, filing of return on 10th of next month. Question 19. How do you evaluate excisable goods? Answer. It is done in the basis any one of the 2 provisions enshrined in the Central Excise Law in India. These provisions are valuation under Section 4 of the Central Excise Act 1944 and the Central Excise Tariff Act 1985. The earlier act is based on normal price, where maximum retail price is not to the central government, or where tariff values have not been fixed for the articles. Under Section 3(2) of the Central Excise Tariff Act 1985, the valuation is simply based on maximum retail price (MRP). Question 20. What is excise duty tax in India? Answer. Central excise duty is an indirect tax levied on those goods which are manufactured in India and are meant for home consumption. The taxable event is manufacture, and the liability of central excise duty rises as soon as the goods are manufactured. This tax is levied on certain goods for their production or sale, catering, or on licenses on specific services and activities. Excise duty is an inland tax, unlike custom duties is an inland tax. Also, this duty charges are a form of India.